Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very exciting video. I am really excited to open up my first KKW fragrance box. You guys can't really tell the name of it on there because the way that she does her packaging is like really minimalistic, and I really do like that. I love her style because of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is the KKW fragrance in Crystal Gardenia, and I was gonna have this be like a review video, which it still will kind of be a review video, but I have to admit that I already smelled this at the store. I got this at Ulta. I think they're actually taking them out of Ulta now, so they were 25% off when I got it, which is great. And I already smelled it, and I already know that the scent is beautiful. It smells really good, kind of like sexy, and it just lasts all day, so I really loved it because of that. I of course bought it before I knew that it lasted all day. I just bought it because I thought it smelled beautiful, the packaging was beautiful, and I love Kim. So, well, I don't want to say I love her because I've never met her, but I do admire her and everything that she's doing for herself. So gotta support other women, you know. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm really excited to open it. I've had it for about a week now, and I've been just waiting for the perfect moment to open it up with you guys. Here it goes. And that's what it looks like inside of the box. It comes with this. Let's open that up and see what that's all about. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, so let me just... It comes with... show you guys. I already dropped one. Okay, it comes with 3 little crystals. I was hoping to show you guys with inside of the packaging still. So 3 crystals. Here's 1, 2, and 3. And I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I actually really love crystals, and I just started a collection in my house. It's really small because I just started it, but it's a collection. I will show you guys when I'm actually home. Right now I'm at my dorm on campus. Okay, and then it comes with a little letter, and the little envelope has the KKW too. It's really hard to see. The letter says, "Clear quartz awakens an amplifier of energy, brings balance and alignment to all areas of the mind and body." That's really cute. Okay, so now let's look at the perfume itself. And I don't know, I kind of want to keep the box just because it's so cute, but I feel like I'm such a box hoarder sometimes. I just love the way it looks in here. Like, it's just so simple, and I love crystals. So I love the design of it. Alright, I was able to get it out. I love the way that it feels. It just feels like so, like, it just feels like if I drop it, it's gonna break. So fragile. It feels fragile, but it just looks so nice and sleek. I love how it looks. And so when you open it, this is what the bottle cap looks like. And then the spray itself is right there. And then I'm looking at it right now, and it says KKW right here. That's one thing that I really like about KKW is how unique her perfume bottles are. I love how she designs everything. So I really like it. I don't know how am I gonna get this to stand? It's just gonna have to lay like that, I guess. I don't know. So that's all, you guys. I love the way it smells. As I already told you guys, the scent does last all day, so that's really nice because I was driving and I rolled down the window, and it had been like 4 hours after I already applied it, and oh my god, it just smells so amazing. I loved it. So I hope you guys give this a try. This was again the Crystal Gardenia, and she has another one, I think, or 2 other ones, so they all smell different. I will try to remember to link it down below because I'm sure you guys will probably forget what it was called, and it's just easier if I type it down below. And lastly, really cool, magnetic. I thought that was pretty cool. And proof that it's real. I got it at Ulta. It says Ulta right there. And yeah, I hope you guys give this a try. It really does smell amazing if you guys like sexy kind of smells, and I'm really glad that I was able to smell it beforehand, because I don't really like just buying perfumes just because I like to smell them first and then buying them. And I wish she had all of her body perfumes there. If you guys know of any of the other ones that are really good, like any of her body ones, or that one that's shaped like an apple, if you guys will let me know how those ones smell, that'd be amazing. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.